welcome back to Michelle the Maker. I am here with another DIY video. I actually saw this on Instagram. I saw this on YouTube and I was like, yes, I have to make this, but it's in French. So of course I don't understand French, so I'm just going to figure it out as I go, and hopefully these measurements make sense. Anyways, I am making a pair of sandals from Old Navy flip-flops. Yes, Old Navy flip-flops, and these were like $2, but it's gonna be a moment, and now we're gonna get into it. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, see you guys soon. Okay, get into this new glass board, y'all. It was from Tuesday morning. Anyways, so what you're gonna need from this video is flip-flops from Old Navy, or wherever you can get some flip-flops, but Old Navy, they're pretty sturdy. So that's why I got these. You're going to need a ruler, Ankara, whatever you would like to use, but I'm using Ankara, of course, because you know it's African inspired over here. And a glue gun, because you do not have to sew for this video. Let's get into it. No sewing. You're going to need a pair of scissors or a box cutter. Alright, so I legitimately don't know how long these should be, but I'm going to guesstimate and let you know. So I'm going to do, I'd rather have more than less material, so I'm going to cut out 24. This is 12 here. Here. This is 12 here. I'm doing this real unprofessional, but it's fine. We all can identify. There's a space needing to be occupied. I'm talking about more than your average appetite. So the most exciting thing about this video is that you do not have to sew. I'm using a glue gun. I'm sure you could use something else, but I'm just choosing to use this because it's easier, and that's what I have like ready to go. Okay, so you're gonna fold this in threes. So you should have two 24-inch pieces, and then three 12-inch pieces. So one, I'm going to take this glue gun and just go like this. Wham bam. Fold like so. I'm putting my finger. More glues. But what do you expect from this wildlife? It just ain't right. And it cuts like a knife. What you gonna do? Oop. Oop. It's a jungle out there. Everyone wants to kill. See, I front like I don't sometimes. I want love, but I don't love sometimes. Okay, so you should be left with these pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Now, I'm going to move these to the side. I'm going to take my Old Navy flip-flops. I literally just got them. Got me using my glue scissors. You're gonna cut a little ways. Under here. And then you're going to cut a little bit above the holes, 2 holes part. So let's do right here. Okay, now you're going to get your small pieces, the shortest pieces. You're going to start passing them through these holes. What do you expect from this wild life? And it cuts like a knife. Alright, so I went ahead and did that. Now your long pieces, you're going to stick it in the same hole that you stuck the last short piece. Okay, like this. This, but don't hurt myself here. So under should be 2. So far you should have this looking moment. So now I'm going to do the other sandal which fell. Just give me one moment. These unfulfilling verbs that I began, starving to death. Said I've even been left to drown more times than I can count. So many fish in the sea, and no one ever thought to think if we could swim. So now you're going to start tying these into knots at the bottom here. We all can identify. There's a space needing to be occupied. Ooh, I'm talking about more than your average appetite, but a diet that edifies me. So tell me why. Okay, so this is what you're going to end up with. The annoying part of these is that I made them too small for my feet. My feet are a little bit wide, so I am gonna have to give these to one of my friends who has a smaller, narrower foot. But look, so it's going to basically you just slide your feet in through here. I'm going to fix this. You can cut these and like create a hole around them just to be safe, like when you walk on the ground. But I probably wouldn't wear these out like for a long day of walking. I'd probably wear them to, drive or, take a picture and take them off. But look, this is cute, and then you just tie this around your ankle. That's it about reads. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and get into it. Thank you. Have a great day, night, evening, wherever you at.